Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix your Frigidaire Gallery ice maker not making ice.
Fix 1. Make sure ice maker is on step 1. Open freezer and check ice maker switch, arm. Step 2. Turn it on if it's off. Step 3. Wait a few hours for ice to start. Fix 2. Check water supply. Step 1. Make sure water line to fridge is not bent or blocked. Step 2. Ensure water valve is fully open. Step 3. Flush line if needed. Fix 3. Replace water filter. Step 1. Find fridge water filter. Step 2. Remove and check if clogged or old. Step 3. Install new filter and reset filter indicator. Fix 4. Reset ice maker. Step 1. Press and hold the reset button on ice maker for 10-15 seconds. Step 2. Wait 6-12 hours for ice to start. Fix 5. Check freezer temperature. Step 1. Make sure freezer is at 0.5 degree F, 18 to 15 degrees C. Step 2. Adjust if needed, and wait. Fix 6. Check ice bin and parts. Step 1. Remove ice bin. Look for jams. Step 2. Make sure ejector arm moves freely. Step 3. Inspect ice mold and water valve.